Are you having issues when you're trying to use the Add Yours template on Instagram? Or you're getting something went wrong when tapping on your Add Yours sticker? Then let me show you some things which you can do to fix this issue. So the first and the most easiest step to fix the Add Yours issue on Instagram is by updating your Instagram. So you'll need to visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and make sure your Instagram has been updated to the latest version. The next thing what you can do is you can try clearing your cache and data off your Instagram app. So for iPhone users, you will need to go into Settings, scroll down, General, then iPhone Storage. Here you need to go ahead and find the app, Instagram, and here you need to delete the app, so uninstall the app and then reinstall it. So once you do this, all the document and data and all the cache will be removed from your iPhone. For users in the Android phone, you need to go into Settings, scroll down until you see Apps. Now from here, go ahead and find Instagram. And now here, you want to go ahead and tap on Storage. At the bottom here, you'll see Clear Cache and Clear Data. I would recommend do both. However, by performing this step, you will remove all your drafts from your Instagram. Now, if it's still not working, then the third thing which you could do is update your iPhone or your Android phone to the latest OS. So in your iPhone, you'll need to go into General, Software Update, and make sure it's been updated to the latest version. On your Android phone, you can go into Settings, scroll all the way down until you see About Phone, and here you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Software Update. Here, you need to make sure if your software has been updated to the latest version. If you have a software update pending, go ahead and install this. Now, after doing all those steps, if it still doesn't work, that means we might need to make some changes to your Instagram account. So to use the Add Yours story on Instagram, your account needs to be public and needs to be a creator account or a business account. If your account is private, you won't be able to use the Add Yours sticker. So how do you do that? You want to first go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next, you want to tap on the profile picture here, the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Here, you want to scroll down until you see Account Privacy. So as you can see, my account is currently public and it's not private. So by toggling the switch to the right hand side, it'll become a private account and I won't be able to use the Add Yours stickers. So I need to make sure this is a public account. Now, if it still doesn't work, that means there could be three issues to your Instagram account. So the first issue is maybe your account does not have a good standing on Instagram and it basically has violated community guidelines in the past on the Instagram platform. So if you don't keep a good standing on Instagram, some of the features will be disabled for your account. Now, the second reason why Add Your feature is not working is because of your account. Now, I've seen on some occasions, one account will work while the others won't work. So to test it out, go ahead and create a new account on Instagram on the same phone and see if you can access the Add Yours sticker. Now, the third reason why your Add Yours feature won't work is because that particular sticker is not available in your region. So the region which you're staying in and using your Instagram account, that particular region won't allow that Add Yours sticker. Unfortunately, you cannot just change the region on your phone and try again. This is because your SIM card actually gives your location information to Instagram. So those were the solutions and the reasons why your Add Your feature is not working on Instagram. Hopefully by following all the steps in this video, you'll be able to resolve your issue with the Add Your story on Instagram. If you're still having issues with the Add Your stickers, do let me know by leaving a comment down below and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.